Hello everyone! If you ever wanted to lock your iPhone screen while watching a YouTube video or showing someone a picture without them snooping around, I have the perfect solution for you, the guided access feature. Let's dive into how to set it up and use it with YouTube. First, go to your iPhone settings app. Scroll down and locate the accessibility option. Tap on accessibility and you'll see a plethora of options. Keep scrolling until you find the guided access option and tap on it. Once you're in the guided access menu, go to passcode settings. Then, choose set guided access passcode. This will be the passcode you use to enter the exit guided access mode. This will be the passcode you use to enter and exit guide access mode. You'll be prompted to enter a passcode of your choosing. Make sure it's something you'll remember. After entering it once, you'll need to confirm by entering it a second time. With that set up, exit your settings app and open up YouTube. Find a video you'd like to watch and start playing it. For the best experience, make sure to switch the video to full screen mode. Now, here's the magic part. Triple-click the power button on your iPhone. This will enable guided access mode. Guided access turned on, no matter what you do, the screen won't move or exit the video. This means no accidental pauses or exits while enjoying your video. Remember, you're not stuck in this mode forever. When you want to exit, simply triple-click the power button again and enter your passcode. And there you have it, an easy way to lock your screen on YouTube. This feature is super handy, especially when you're showing a video or photo to someone and don't want them to snooping around. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, bye-bye!